All right, let's learn Masbateño starting with the letter A or Litra A. An Litra A. Okay, An Litra A. So I'm not gonna translate most of these. I'm just gonna pronounce them so you can get the feel of the language. Okay, you can get the feel of how things are just pronounced with the vowels and the consonants. Okay. Again, this is like a slow immersion into the Masbateño language, okay, starting with the letter A or Litra A. An Litra A. Aparador. Actually, aparador means closet. Okay, so aparador. An. Ada. Ako. Ana. Amo. Aram. Abot. Ayo. Amigo. Anak. Atam. Anay. Ambot. Okay? So you see that it's a right? Just short and crispy. Okay? And our example sentences that actually I got from the Summer Institute of Linguistics from 1979. Ooh. But it's still valid, okay? Hulat anay, anak, adi sin regalo sa imo. This sentence is classic because it has the three vowels in one word. Regalo, regalo, which means present or gift, okay? These are the only vowels that you will see mostly written in the Masbateño language, okay? Nagakanam an anak. Nagsakat an amo sa kahoy. Mapakain ka, amigo. Ada sa aparador an bado. Itay, ako nalaan madarasina na kahon. So, as you can tell, Masbateño is this kind of a little, not so really choppy language, but you can see that there is a rhythm. It's kind of a little rhythmic language, so to speak. All right? But this is, again, starting with the letter A, an litra A.